Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.04. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 9.4%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.04% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $408.67 be breached, it would initially indicate a stronger rate of decline. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 5.47% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -6.11% and 36.18%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -3.89%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -4.43% to 43.37% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $393.20 and $589.86. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, "Green Day on Wednesday for UnitedHealth Group stock after gaining 0.54%. The UnitedHealth Group stock price increased by 0.54% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, rising from $409.23 to $411.44. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.06%, with a day low of $401 and a day high of $413.26. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 29.5% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.99 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could signal possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $630.73, while the lowest price was $401. Currently, the price is 34.77%, or $219.29, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, trading under the symbol UNH, is currently in the spotlight due to significant recent developments. The stock has experienced a notable decline of 25%, attributed to temporary issues, yet analysts believe this presents a buying opportunity. The company's strong long-term earnings growth projections, along with a solid dividend yield, suggest that values may rebound as these challenges are resolved. Management maintains a positive outlook, expecting earnings growth to return to the range of 13 to 16%. This optimism follows a dip in stock price after the recent first-quarter earnings report, which included a lowered earnings forecast. However, many experts argue that the market has overreacted to these temporary setbacks, indicating that UNH is undervalued based on historical trends. Additionally, the appointment of Patrick Conway to lead UnitedHealth's health services segment, Optum, indicates a strategic shift that could enhance operational efficiency and growth potential in the sector. On a legal front, the company is facing a potential securities class action investigation, prompting scrutiny that could impact investor sentiment. In the short term, these mixed signals, positive management projections against legal challenges, could lead to volatility in stock prices. However, in the long term, if the company successfully navigates these hurdles, it may capitalize on its growth trajectory, potentially increasing shareholder value and stabilizing the stock price. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned UNH a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned UNH an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Stevens assigned UNH an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book value receives a strong sell rating. In terms of return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.54%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at levels $419.81 and $503.57. A breakthrough above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Analysis shows a buy signal from 13 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $409.23. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $12.26 between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.06%. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 2.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered fairly typical, often observed in companies with lengthy histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts have reached a consensus estimate of $6.48. It's important to watch these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $425.33. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $409.23. If this support level holds, it might be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April, in the year 2025, Timothy Patrick Slynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the first day of April, in the year 2025, John H. Noseworthy conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the first day of April, in the year 2025, Frederick William McNabb III conducted an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock. On the first day of April, in the year 2025, Paul R. Garcia conducted an insider purchase of 60 shares of common stock. On the first day of April, in the year 2025, Paul R. Garcia conducted another insider purchase of 108 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 56.854. Overall, insiders purchased 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will continue to be weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Following an analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $2.87, starting at $408.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.